I have never had these before. I'm very excited. I am an Italian student, so I feel like I should taste these.
Wild.
That was pretty wild, but I also had some online Italian classes that was hard.
Yeah. So we are going to be making an Italian dinner, authentic Italian dinner. We're going to start with a charcuterie board that has cantaloupe, prosciutto, and all the things the Italians like to start their dinner with. Then we're going to have a spaghetti bolognese. They move on to that. We're going to prepare all these meals. And then we move on to a grilled lemon chicken with sauteed vegetables. And then from there we're going to move on to a lemon sorbet. And we're going to make it a little savory with basil and fresh whipped cream. And it's going to be stuff in these lemons that we're going to carve out. And then we're going to put the sorbet in the little lemons.
Why is it important to know how to cook?
Because a lot of lessons are learned in the kitchen.
I may just blow up after.
Reusable thing here to have. A blender.
The river of meat is going to be my contribution before I leave to babysit.
I've got to figure out how to open this package real quick.
Maybe some scissors?
It's like problem solving.
Maybe, yes, scissors. Thank you, Daneel.
We're learning so much in the kitchen. Look, right.
Get that melon, Samantha. Miley stands Croft.
That's nice. It's not right there. Kind of rock it like that.
You said it's
Rock it, Carol.
Rocket.
guys.
What do you think of my ascot?
Looks nice. Goes well with the fit.
Do you like my ascot, Ken?
In that movie. You know it? What is it? Say it.
I know it. I need my ascot.
Starts with a T.
Toy Story?
There it is.
I'm not doing it wrong. Go get some Haley. Just wait till we get the orange cantaloupe in here.
Oh, the pop.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
You're gonna get what you get.
Yeah, that's right. Tell her again.
You're gonna get what you get.
Yeah.
High School Musical.
I've never watched High School Musical.
All right, add it to the movie list. I don't know if we already have.
I've been like twice.
Any thoughts on that, Miss Mary Susan? She's never been to Sonic?
Wait, never at all?
No, I haven't. I've been like twice.
Never been to Sonic?
Like,
Megan, we have Sonics in Florida.
nobody goes.
Never had a tater tot from Sonic till today, nor a soft pretzel from Sonic.
Gosh, what uncultured.
The first time I ever went was freshman
Fun.
year. I went with Ian. That was the first time, and I think I haven't been back since.
You have to
Good.
try the mozzarella sticks.
Okay, don't you think office hours there every day?
Hello.
This little rolled salami style meat, some cherry tomatoes, spinach and arugula, cantaloupe, crackers, cured meat crackers.
Is to mix some arugula.
The rain crackers. It's just so beautiful. I could cry.
Over here we have stuff on a board.
What was that?
Stuff on a board.
Take a wide shot. Scrumptious. Scrumptious.
Oh, just great. Just chopping some garlic.
Eyes teary yet?
No, not yet. That's onions.
Squarish. Voila. And that is what we call fantastic artwork.
There, just give it a little pop. Right in the center.
Miss Mary Susan touch.
A little bit of that
A little
touch.
garnish. We're a family who loves to garnish.
I'm cooking.
Skizzers. Okay.
Chop, 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 chop.
Amelia, oh, sorry.
I'm so
Fire.
sorry.
Alexis is keeping me safe. The fire's on, the work is on. Yeah. I said the fire's on, the work is on.
It's like. We got a lot of it and I cut way too much. I think that's 3. And then this is, if you look here, lemon sorbet private selection. We don't need to see the contents. What's going on here? So we're doing the very precise measurement of a cup.
We're getting less dishes dirty.
Fewer dishes, yes.
And don't worry, she washed her hands very recently.
I did. Don't worry. Man, don't look at my toes.
Your toes are the vlog so off.
I think they should be registries for single people.
They should.
No, I'm serious. It's not a prank song.
Ooh, they do smell good.
Wow.
It smells like basil with nutmeg and vanilla.
It smells so good.
We're going to get dirty. Stuff that. Okay, whenever we cook it in this, we're going to use this little toaster oven, but also the air fryer. When you cook it together, the sage's taste blends in with the chicken. So.
god.
I wish you were. Are you gonna be gone the whole weekend?
What?
Are you gonna be gone the whole weekend?
Yeah, I'll be back Sunday.
How's it look like?
I'll see you next week.
Okay. 23rd.
Learned while cooking in the kitchen.
There are no rules to learn cooking in the kitchen. Sometimes you just find a dragon fruit that Mary's found in Savannah, Tennessee, and you start cutting it. Cheese and sorbet.
Didn't know that. Yeah.
Caroline, what have we learned about cooking in the kitchen?
Let me teach you how to make color whipped cream. Let's do it. You do 1 1/3 of these of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. You put it in your handy dandy KitchenAid, not made, and then you turn it as high as possible. And now we just let it do its thing.
I didn't even know that you could stuff sage like this up underneath the skin to give it extra flavor.
Cook. That's just a, you know, this is a lot of work. We appreciate the moms, the sisters, the family members that cook for us because the brothers and fathers too. I was gonna get there.
He was getting through all the family members. What about the cousins?
The cousins, the dogs, the cats, the birds, whoever else cooks. They do a lot of work and we appreciate you because it's an art.
Kitchen.
Is that there's no rules, but then it's funny because every time I do something, you're like, what? Don't do that. So I don't know what to think about.
I was trying to get a good picture, but I can't.
So we're gonna do for everybody. I'll do the bar now.
Your fridge.
You didn't save some for me?
This is my mentee, everyone. She works so hard every day, all day, and then she comes here and she makes this dinner. I can't get over it. I work at like 18 jobs, so my favorite is the Women's Council.
Yeah, do you want to keep that job?
Yes. That was a problem.
That was a promise. Online right now?
Amelia had this much butter on the mushrooms. I mean,
And it was what?
pathetic.
Yikes!
In this house, we use a lot of butter.
Yeah, you got it.
Pound cake of love.
I feel like we just ended Christmas dinner.
Honestly, same. Do you want to
If you want to hear the most tear-jerking love story that needs to be made into a movie, Sam Haskell, you need to contact Mary Susan.